Plato tells a famous story called the allegory of the cave. Imagine people live inside a dark cave. They are chained and they can only look at a wall. Behind them, there is a fire. Between the fire and the people, objects pass by. The people see only shadows on the wall. They believe the shadows are real. They do not know the true world outside the cave. One day, a person escapes. He sees the sun and the real world. At first, the light hurts his eyes, but later he understands the truth. When he returns to the cave, the others do not believe him. Plato's message is simple. Education is not filling the mind. It is turning the soul toward the light. If you liked this video, please subscribe on my channel.